I'm gonna try barbecue on my washing line. Gonna stack some bricks here, make it nice and hot. I'm gonna suspend a nice lamb shawarma over it. Let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna do this on the flattest bit of earth just here, just under this bit of washing line. If you're going to do this properly for something permanent of some kind, if you're going to decide to permanently barbecue onto your washing line, you might want to use a bubble, a level for this. I'm not going to do that because Kath will take this down as soon as she sees it. Or rather, she'll make me take it down, no matter how dope it is. Like, this could be the dopest barbecue ever, and it wouldn't even matter to her. But you know, everyone's got their priorities. Some people's priorities are making dope barbecues, and some people's priorities are like, not making dope barbecues. Okay, so this is done. Like I said, we'll get this full of really hot coal, and then we'll try to put something on the front of it, just to make sure that we're not wasting heat out that way, and that it's going straight up into the lamb. Yeah, heaps of heat's coming out this way. I could have just stacked bricks straight up here, but I need something to go there. So I'll just lean that like that, I reckon. And then that'll just, yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is basically make a lamb shawarma at home, like a doner kebab. So I've got a tunnel-boned leg of lamb. I'm just going to mix Arabic 7 spiced throughout it with some garlic, some ginger, and some lemon juice. And then I'm going to like lay it back flat, the shape it was, just like you get from a kebab shop. Put a skewer through it, and then hang it over the charcoals.
Look at her lurking. She's just waiting for me to look away so that she can snag this beautiful parcel of meat. She's like one step away from just jumping up and grabbing that. So what I need is like some kind of guard dog against my pretty dog. I need a loyal dog against this disloyal usurper that wants to stage a mutiny against my barbecue.
So what I did in the end was just feed Peg so that she wouldn't want the lamb. But to be honest, the longer I cook it and the uglier it becomes, the less I think anyone's going to want to eat it. It's looking pretty funky.
This is going to taste really good, but you should just do a whole leg of lamb. Use these spices. Just put them on the outside or cut some holes in it. This recipe was not well thought out.
In the end, it was above the charcoal for maybe 2 hours. I don't know how long you're going to need because you're probably not cooking it on a washing line. Just cook it till it's finished cooking, I guess.
All right, so the middle of this is raw. What they'd normally do is put it on rotate the gyro and cook the outside, slice it off, the inside still raw, and slowly work their way to the middle. So I'll do the same thing. I will get the outside and work my way into the raw middle. It doesn't take very long, apparently. Okay, I will cut, and then I will look at what's cooked, and then I will eat that. And the stuff that's still raw, I will put back on the barbecue. There we go. That stuff's pretty good. Let's do that. I'm going to pick through the lamb and find the bits that are cooked. There we go. That's a bit charred. Okay, so that's the technique. Find the charred parts of the lamb and eat that. It's pretty clear what's cooked because it's almost completely black, whereas everything else is bleeding still. I think it can barbecue. That barbecue has a lot of potential. That build has a lot going for it, and I don't think it's fair to hold my impatience against the barbecue. So I'm going to say that barbecue works, and the reason why it didn't work in this instance was because I was stupid, basically. Yeah, so that's it. Oh, it's good.